Welcome to American Hospitality Academy, AHA. As an organization designated by the U.S. Department of State to administer the J1 Cultural Exchange Programs, also known as the BridgeUSA program, AHA will be your sponsor as you immerse yourself in American life and culture, pursue your professional goals, and forge new networks and friendships. AHA prides itself in selecting the best of the best. You have been selected because of your positive attitude, dedication to sharing your culture while learning about others, and your desire to learn and grow professionally. You are a cultural ambassador, a global leader of the future, representing your school, country, family, and AHA. As an ambassador, you have the unique opportunity to share your culture and traditions with the people you meet in the U.S. while applying the AHA principles of ethics, integrity, leadership, teamwork, and friendship. The purpose of the BridgeUSA Exchange Visitor Programs is to foster global understanding through educational and cultural exchanges. A key goal of the Fulbright-Hays Act, which authorizes these programs, is that participants will return to their home countries and share their experiences with their countrymen. Please review the following. As part of your program, you are to enroll into World Campus, where among other career advancement tools, you may earn the Hospitality Professional Certificate, HPC. HPC is a professional development course created in collaboration with industry experts and academia from around the world and designed to develop the skills, knowledge, and attitude essential for success, while inspiring your AHA, the amazing hospitality attitude, during your program. Now let's review important items before you travel to the USA. Participating in the J1 Cultural Exchange Visitor Program is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And living in the USA is an incredible way to learn more about yourself and the world. You will be welcomed into a warm and diverse community that will support you to become a well-rounded global citizen. Before traveling to the U.S., make necessary financial preparations. You should bring or have access to at least $1,500 to cover your initial costs, including travel costs and first month's rent or deposit. It is important you familiarize yourself with your insurance policy before you arrive. Your insurance coverage begins on the start date of your J1 program and ends on your J1 program end date. These dates can be found on your DS 2019 form. If you arrive before or stay past the dates on your DS 2019 form, you will need to purchase additional insurance. Always carry your insurance card. Insurance covers emergencies and most sudden illnesses. Insurance does not cover pre-existing conditions or items such as routine examinations, dental treatment, and vision services. Take care of these needs before you travel and expenses related to pre-existing conditions. While in the USA, if you need medical attention, always call the insurance company before visiting a doctor or healthcare facility. The number is on the insurance card. Don't use an emergency room in the USA unless your illness or injury is serious or life-threatening. If you do, you will have much higher expenses. If you are hospitalized, contact AHA right away. Remember, as your program sponsor, AHA is with you every step of the way. Do not hesitate to contact us at any time. AHA maintains an open-door policy to ensure the health and safety of its exchange participants. All participants have a right to be treated fairly and to report abuse without retaliation or threat of program cancellation. Additionally, if you are unable to reach AHA in an emergency or urgent situation, to help safeguard the health, safety, and welfare of all exchange visitors, there is a Department of State Exchange Visitor Program emergency hotline. These important contact details are also located in the resource guide. Now, let's review a few items that may come up during your program. If you need to travel outside the USA, contact AHA to review the travel policy and procedure. During your program, you will find warm, friendly people who will enjoy meeting you, sharing their culture with you, and learning about your culture. Learn more about how to be safe in the United States. Visit the National Crime Prevention Council website at www.ncpc.org. It is important you are aware of scams. AHA, the FBI, police, Social Security Administration, or IRS will not call or email demanding payment or personal information from you. This is a scam. Warning signs of scams include a person telling you not to tell anyone, demand for immediate payment, asking for payment in form of a gift card, demanding personal information, threats of deportation from the U.S. If you are contacted in this matter, do not respond and contact AHA or your manager. It is important you know and obey all national, state, and local laws. Review the information in the resources and contact AHA if you have any questions. If you break a law, you may have to pay significant fines and/or go to jail, and it might be very difficult to be released. Your program may end. You could be sent home, prevented from visiting the U.S. in the future. AHA makes it a priority to ensure that all our participants enjoy a safe, healthy, and well-monitored cultural exchange experience in the U.S. It is important you know and understand your rights and protections as outlined in the Rights and Protection Pamphlet and information provided to you and located in the participant resources. Among other protections you have the right to be treated and paid fairly, enjoy a program free of discrimination or sexual harassment, keep your passport and other identification documents in your possession, report problems and concerns without retaliation. The opportunities for cultural exchange are endless, and the more you get involved outside of the workplace, the richer your reward. During your program, make sure you visit parks, museums, historical landmarks, sites of interest, attend shows, concerts, rodeos, holiday celebrations, public celebrations, enjoy events hosted by your host employer, play sports, or go to a sporting event. We are pleased that you made the decision to be part of this amazing program and look forward to your arrival in the USA. Welcome to the AHA team of Cultural Ambassadors. Soon, you will be ready to travel. Remember, communication is extremely important and required. You are required to notify AHA of your embassy appointment dates and give at least 7 days' notice of your arrival. These items are completed by logging into your AHA account, but if for any reason you cannot log in, email AHA. When you arrive, it is extremely important you validate your visa within 24 hours. 5 days after you validate your visa, you may apply for your Social Security number. Detailed information and instructions about validating your visa, applying for Social Security, and pay and taxes in the USA will be sent to you. This information is also available in the Resources Guide. Reminder: if you enrolled in the Pay-as-you-earn program, the program that allows participants to pay a portion of the program fee prior to arrival, and the balance of the fee during the program visa must be paid on time and as agreed. Failure to make payments as agreed will result in your program termination. If you have any questions about pay, taxes, or fees, contact AHA now before you arrive. As your visa sponsor, we are responsible to monitor your program. Therefore, we will contact you often. Each month, you are required to complete the monthly check-in. You will receive an email each month as a reminder. You are also required to complete program evaluations, also emailed to you. And if you change your address, you must notify AHA. As you can see, communication is important. Check your email often and don't hesitate to reach out to us anytime. Now let's review a few important rules and regulations. It is important you know and adhere to AHA rules, as well as your host employer rules. If you are terminated for not following the rules, your program will end, and you will be required to depart the USA. If you are terminated, or if you resign from the program, contact AHA immediately. When you arrive, you may be required to complete a drug test. If you are in an accident while at training or work, you may be required to take a drug test. Failure to pass a drug test will result in your program termination. You will be required to immediately depart the U.S. and return home. Training or working anywhere else besides the approved employers is strictly prohibited, violates the terms of your visa, and will result in program termination. All program participants are expected to stay with their hiring host employer. A change of host property is only granted in only rare and extenuating circumstances, as outlined in the agreement and resource library. The J1 visa requires participants to be actively engaged in approved J1 activities. In the event you must be away from your program, unable to work or train due to an emergency, personal or medical issue, contact AHA immediately. Okay, we've covered a lot of information. This video can be watched again. Additionally, all this information and more, everything you need before, during, and after your program, is in the Resources Library. Click on the tab to complete the quiz, the last step of orientation. And again, welcome.